Okay, so uh, yes, let's get started. So welcome to our committee meetings. This is hosted by PipeCD project and runs on Chef Code of Conduct. So at first, we will share event community resource. And today, the Kikuchi-san blogged about the overview of the plan for pluggable PipeCD.
Yes. I wrote the overview of our big plan of programmable PipeCD, and I explain about the summary and what's programmable PipeCD and why the programmable PipeCD is needed and what the advantages, and overview of schedule. Uh, and maybe those who are interested in PipeCD or PipeCD future, this article is you must read this article because this is really big change for PipeCD. Yeah. And please share this blog to your friends and your colleagues and so on. Okay, thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much. So if you guys, if you are interested in about the PipeCD plugin architectures, please check it out. And also, yeah, if you have any discussion or questions, feel free to ping us in the CNCF Slack on the or community meeting and so on. Also, there is some draft RFC and meta issue on the GitHub. This is you can see about the drafts how can I say how to create the programming architectures. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. And also next is about development. So let's move into the development topics. So at first, we will share the release informations. So recently we released PipeCD version 0.5, 0.50. And there is two information about the release. And the first one is as notification event deployment started. So before these versions, we cannot detect the deployment started, but in these features, you can receive the notification when the deployment started. Yeah, feel free to use and ping us if you have any questions or so on. And also the notable changes, about the notable changes. So this is for Kubernetes application users. So recently the Kubernetes community decided to change the host to download some binaries. So before these versions, we can't, sometimes we can use some kind of versions of kubectl commands. So if you use Kubernetes apps, please update to the versions. Yeah, if you have interested in more information, so please check the release note and pull request. Okay, that's finish about the release and roadmap. And then next is our development progress. So at first, Kai-san, please let me know about the progress.
Okay, so from me, I just finished my work on initializing the logic for the scheduler of the PipeD v1. So for now, the PipeD v1 scheduler can actually pull the execute state interface will be implemented later by plugin. I think Wada-san is working on that already. And next is I'm working on the lifecycle package, which basically being used in two parts in PipeCD currently. One is by launcher when starting the new PipeD, and the other is PipeD when starting the new plugin. And I set the goal to make this flow work on this weekend. So yeah, that's all from me. Also, we just talking about the next move. I mean, our working plan for the next action this month, last Monday, as far as I remember. So yeah, basically just follow that. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, thank you so much. And it's my turn. And I'm currently trying to add easy test for Kubernetes applications. So currently, I investigate the easy test environments, especially mtest and test containers with kind or K3s. K3s. Right. So we want to introduce some tests for each application development cycle and so on. But it is a little bit tough. So at first, we investigate uh, how to achieve this by until this weekend. And currently, I implemented the test for kubectl execute function. And next, I try to implement the stage testing. Okay, so that's all for me. And also, could you please introduce your development progress? Sorry, maybe muted. You are muted.
Sorry. Okay, thank you. And as I said, I wrote a blog, and now I am trying to implement plugin of the wait stage. And I actually it's tougher than I saw because there's some change for executor package, but yeah, but we'll try to make it easier to implement such plugins. So don't worry for the plugin developers in the future. And the next I then I implement some other plugins except Kubernetes plugin, and including Terraform and way to approval and ACS and so on. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
So much. Your last for Wallace-san, please let me know about the progress.
Thank you. I'm implementing a plugin of Kubernetes, and I'm implementing now Kate sync stage and Kate rollback stage, which is the stage for quick sync and rollback. Uh, Almost all is done, but remaining is manifest caching and uh, annotations and pruning resources. Uh, I I will be able to implement all for this weekend,
Mhm.
and I'll try to implement other stages next week or yes, nearly. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so for the pruning resources, we will skip about the feature in my understanding, but you implement the pruning for now.
Pruning is uh I'll implement in this week or next week.
Okay. Maybe it depends on the live state feature, or so it takes some more time to implement, maybe.
Oh, okay, that's right.
First, for currently we can skip to implement the feature for now.
Yes, yes. I'll skip the implementing, pruning, and uh, check the whole behavior of PipeD and plugin.
Thank you so much. Ouch. Okay, thank you, understand. So I also check when to implement it. So because it depends on the live state, and I also consider about the feature for multi-cluster deployments. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, about the development progress is almost all done. And also next is other topics, but currently there is empty. So if you guys have any topics to share, feel free to share about it. Okay, so it seems that today is no other topics. So the public meeting were finished, and but before finishing it, so let's check the next meeting schedule. And next meeting schedule is December 18 in JSD. And also, it's also final community meeting in 2024. And also, the Kikuchi-san,
Sorry, I can't attend that time.
okay, that's okay. So, Warashi-san or Kanye-san, please, can you guys host the community meeting in next is Japanese?
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Great. And also, the first community
Yeah.
meeting in 2025 is
Yes.
about
Maybe
January
it's
8th.
this or 15th.
Okay, in English. Yeah. Oh my God. The year is almost all done. So
Yeah.
the time is too fast. Oh my gosh, too fast. Okay.
Which one
I
do
think
you want?
we do quite good this year, so yeah,
Okay.
don't worry that much.
Yeah, that's true.
Which
Okay.
one do you want? 8th or 15th? Any idea?
maybe the vacation in the
Yeah.
it's a little bit long, so maybe
Okay.
15 is better.
Okay. Okay. Then yeah. Okay. I'll host the
Mhm.
first committee meeting in English on 15th January.
Yes. Thank you so much. So the next is this schedule in English. Right. Okay, so that's all. So we will finish today's community meetings. So see you guys the next times. See you all.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Okay. 止めますね。